Hi everyone, you're welcome to Explore Insight. In today's content, I believe you find it very interesting. And guess what? I want to give you a shortcut conversion from decimal number to binary number. Take note, this only works from decimal number to binary conversion. Please do not use it for other conversion. If you're just joining for the first time, hit the notification bell and kindly subscribe to this channel. So let's quickly dive in. Now let's see. In a situation where you are asked to convert 128 in base 10 to binary, and we are asked to find x. So it means that all we have to do is to go through in this manner. Remember, like I said in my previous video, we have to consider first the destination base number, which is 2 here, brought over here. And the 128, which is the given value, is written here. And now look at this. If we convert this value as we go in this manner, 2 into 128, we have 64 with a remainder of 0. 2 into 64, we have 32 with a remainder of 0. 2 into 32, we have 16 with a remainder of 0. 2 into 16, we have 8 with a remainder of 0. 2 into 8 will be 4 with a remainder of 0. 2 into 2, 2 into 4 will be 2 with a remainder of 0. 2 into 2 will be 1 with a remainder of 0. And 2 into 1 will be 0. That means impossible, and we have this remainder as 1. Now take our arrow up. Remember, the value will go from bottom to top. That means we'll have 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so that's zeros in 7 places. So let's put that down. 1 to 8, then will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 in base 2. Wow, this can be the traditional way to go about this. But like I said, in this topic, I want to give you a shortcut conversion. All we have to do is to go with what I call the cheat system. This cheat system goes in the power of 2 from 0, 1, 2, 3 in upward. What does that mean? 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 7. Now, what does this simply mean? If I'm to get this value, it means 2 raised to power 0 will be 1, 2 raised to power 1 will be 2, 2 raised to power 2 will be 4, 2 raised to power 3 will be 8, 2 raised to power 4 will be 16, 2 raised to power 5 will be 32, 2 in the power of 6 will be 64, and lastly, we'll have this to be 1 to 8. Isn't this amazing? Definitely it is. Now let's go in with different values and let's see how this will work amazingly. Now, if we are given that's the same value of 1 to 8, let me consider this as example 1. We'll check out which value is close to 1 to 8 or exactly 1 to 8, because this thing goes as on, which is equivalent to 1, or off, which is 0. So it means anyone that fits with the given value will be on as 1, else 0. So now we have 1 to 8, and we want to use this cheat system, which is a shortcut for this conversion. It means 1 to 8 can be found here. So we are going to on it. Let me do a rough sketch here. It means 1 to 8 minus 1 to 8. It's going to give us 0. So it means we don't have any other value to find. That simply means we'll go ahead to put 0 in all. That's very fast. In few seconds. So go back to the traditional method we did, which is 10000000. Can you see that in few seconds I've been able to put this value? So let's consider another scenario. What about if we are asked to get the value of 136? Maybe you can give a few seconds thoughts. Yes, because if you are using the cheat system, it's very easy and less of errors. Now, like I said, if we want to consider the value of 136, what will be the value? What makes up 136? The first closest value to it is 1 to 8. So let me run my sketch here. 136 minus 1 to 8. We'll have what? 8. So it means I'm taking 1 to 8. That means I'm going to on it. And the next thing I'm looking for is 8. So 64 is bigger than 8. It means I'm not going to use it. That will be off. 0. 32 is bigger than 8. I'm not going to use it. That will be off. 16 is still bigger. I'm going to off that. And let's go to the next value, which is 8. 8, and we have 8. So it's just 8 minus this 8. It will give us 0. Since I've used the 8 for this calculation, it means I'm going to own it. And at this point, we have 0. It means we are not looking for any other value. At this point, we have 0, 0. Yeah, that's amazing, right? Yes. So let's go further. What about if we want to get 255? You can see over here we have 1 to 8. So it means if we want to look for 255, I believe it's going to be like up to 14 steps of this. But it's amazing that we can go through this as fast as possible. So let's consider the value of 255, like I said. So it means I'm going to use 1 to 8. Let me come here for 255. 255 minus 1 to 8 will give us 127. I can use 64. I can use 32. All that. In a simplest way to go about it, it means I'll be using every value there. So it means at the end of the day, I'll have all through 1. So I'll have all through 1. You can punch your calculator. 1 to 8 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 definitely will give you 255. So I believe I'll be able to show you on how to go in a faster mode when you're dealing with huge number, especially when you're converting from decimal number to binary number. And I believe this video really helps. So guys, do well to watch my subsequent videos. I'll be signing off now. So enjoy this video. Have a nice time. Bye.